Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll be reviewing the ONIKUMA K19 gaming headset. So what are we waiting for? Let's check out the box. 40mm directional drivers, 2 for audio precision, noise cancellation, microphone, adjustable steel slider, multi-platform compatibility. Professional gaming headset. So this is the ONIKUMA K19. Okay, ONIKUMA K19. Shenzhen Uni Technology Company Limited, Shenzhen, China. Okay, let's try to open this bad boy. Okay, I like the packaging. It's thick cardboard. Okay, nothing special inside except for manual. Chinese. Page 1 is in English. So small. Okay. So what we have here. Let's remove this to the side. Okay, ONIKUMA K19. ONIKUMA K19. It's not retractable, it's a fixed microphone, but it does bend. Okay. Okay. Then you got the logo here and another logo on the left side where the microphone is located. Let's check the mic. Okay. The headband is retractable. It has fairly long this one's stainless and this one's plastic and and then there's the soft leatherette on top and on the bottom there's padded foam for your crown or your head, so it won't hurt if you plan to play games that long, as in 4 hours, 5 hours, 3 hours. So the foams are okay. So you don't bend it too much. Okay, that's the headset, headphones. Okay, soft leather and acceptable softness of the foam for the earlobes, for the ears. Okay, reinforced edge for the cable, and this is also braided cable on the outside. Here is a plastic controller. This one I guess is for the mute. This one is for the volume control. Okay, another reinforcements at the end so it won't break. The cable is fairly long. I guess it's more than a meter. And at the edge is the splitter. And we have an accessory. So at the end there's the 3.5 jack and the USB. So the USB is to power the LED light. Let's try that later. And this one is for the speaker and for the microphone. Okay, so if you plan to plug it to your laptop or PC, you need to split the headphones and the microphones. So the red one is for the microphone and the green one is for the headset, I think. So there's a Y splitter here for the headphones and for the microphone. So the female jack goes to the male jack of the headphone. There. I'm gonna try to plug this one. Let's lessen the light. There you go. So the lights are the same. Hello, mic test, mic test. So This is Charlie, and we're testing the microphone of the Onikuma, Oni, Onikuma gaming headset. And at my front is an electric fan. Supposedly, this has it lessens the ambient noise with this microphone. So I hope it's working. If not, then it's false advertising. Okay, so mic test, mic test. This is being done here inside of my office studio. As you can see at the back is my computer and my extra monitor. So what do you think about the audio? Okay, we're back again here in the studio. So what's my final verdict of the ONIKUMA K19? This is the one. Okay. Compared to our existing XG88 from Tilex, I could say that this one, the microphone is very effective. Unfortunately, it cannot go lower than I want to, or place it near my mouth. So it means that you have to speak louder, so you could have a great pickup. With regards to the build, it's basically made of plastic, but for the price, I cannot complain about the price because hey, it's affordable for this model of the ONIKUMA K19. The other ONIKUMA is more expensive, so for this entry level, it's a go. It's a green. It's a go buy actually. So if you're on a budget like me most of the time, so the ONIKUMA K19 is really good. Okay, so you could also use it for vlogging like I'm doing right now. See? So far so good. So if you plan to buy a gaming headset and you also plan to do some vlogging, doing some explainer video, then this one you could also use as a microphone for your vlogging. Okay, so that's it. So this is Charlie Jose. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!